yummy diet. Ingredients: 1 cup sunberry leaves, 1 big tomato, 12 to 15 small onion peeled, 1.5 to 2 spoon grated coconut, 1 spoon mustard, 1.5 2 spoons urad dal and gram dal, 3 dry chili and salt. In a kadai, add 2 spoons of gingery oil. Add mustard. Double the time you have to add urad dal and gram dal. So 1 spoon mustard means 2 spoon urad dal and 2 spoons gram dal. So after adding gram or chana dal, I am frying it well. Then I am adding 3 red dry chilies. Once the chili gets roasted, I am taking the chili out and keeping it separately. Now add peeled small onion. Along with this, we can add required amount of salt so that onion get roasted quickly. We need not wait for translucent color. We need not wait for golden brown color. Just translucent color is enough. Add 1 big tomato. We can cut it into bigger pieces itself. When the tomato skin peels off, add grated coconut, 1.5 or 2 spoons grated coconut. We'll be frying it after adding sunberry leaves. So all onion, tomato and all, we can fry it lightly itself. It is enough. Now add 1 bowl of sunberry leaf. Instead of this, you can have spinach or any other types of green leaves you can have. So I have taken sunberry leaves. Fry it well. So totally for 7 minutes in sim flame we have to keep and we have to fry it well. If required, you can close with the lid and fry now and then. You can also add oil if needed. Fry it well. Once it is fried well, after 7 to 8 minutes, you transfer it into a blender. Add the toasted chili and make it into fine powder. Now add little bit water and grind it into a thick chutney or Thovayal consistency. Chukidi Thovayal is ready. You can garnish it with sesame. So Chukidi Thovayal is very yummy. It will be similar to coriander chutney. When you are hungry, if you are eating this, it will be good for mouth and stomach wounds.
Kindly like and share. Please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button for notification.